Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Chrissy, and today I made this video. I transformed myself into Miss Lonely Hearts, and she's the girl that doesn't have a date on Valentine's Day, and you know, was crying her glitter and her hearts on her face. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this to my face, then continue to watch because this is the video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe because you're awesome and I'm awesome and we could be awesome together. So I already did my eyebrows and I did them first because I wanted to really carve them out because this is gonna be super dramatic. And the eyebrow product that I used was the NYX Tame Frame. And yeah, I don't do this often, but I think it looks super cool. Alright, so let's get into the eyes because I look kind of weird with just eyebrows. And I am going to prime the lids with some concealer and then set it with some powder. So now that we have our smooth, clean canvas, I am going to go in with a couple of red eyeshadows, and I'm going to bounce back and forth between a couple of palettes because I don't have a very good red eyeshadow at the moment. So I have the BH Cosmetics Hollywood palette, which has this nice little red up here, and it's broken, but it's still good. And then I have the Shani Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette, and there is a red shade in here. This is gonna be awkward. So I'm gonna start off with the BH Cosmetics palette, and going to pack on the red color. All over my eye. I'm gonna try out this other shadow. It's actually better. Yeah, the other one's kind of like a pink. This one's more red. True red. Which is what I want. I'm gonna go in with the Modern Renaissance palette and take the color Love Letter, which is this color right here, and take that on the blending brush and just focus that on the inner and outer. So it's darker on the inner and outer and like a bright red in the middle.
Impossible to say why I always feel this way, and it's impossible to see all the things we used to be, and it's impossible.
That's better.
Always feel this way, and it's impossible to see.
Okay, so I just did the rest of my face, and I also tried out a new foundation, and it's pretty amazing. My face looks fucking perfect. It looks great. So yeah, anyways, I contoured with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I used Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and NARS creamy concealer. And the foundation is the Dior Forever foundation, but it's not the one that I used in my other video. It's the full coverage one. I don't remember the name, but I'll try to put it down below, let you know. So yeah, now we're gonna finish up the eyes. Go in with some more of that red and put that in the middle on the bottom, and then the dark color on the outside.
And it's impossible to say.
Okay, so the eyes are done, and we're gonna move on to highlighter. And for that, we're gonna use Anastasia's Moonchild and the pink heart highlighter. For the rest of the highlighter, I will use the Becca Moonstone. And next I'm just going to throw on some mascara, the Roller Lash. I almost forgot blush, and I need pink one by NARS, which is the color Desire. Okay guys, we're almost finished. I'm going to apply some falsies and be right back, and then we'll do the stamp and lips and have the final look. So I will be right back. Alright, so my lashes are on, and while I wait for them to really dry and stick on there, we're gonna do the really fun part, which is the little heart stamp. And this is the brand Yangina, which I got from the that one app. From the Hush app, which is a super cool app. It actually gives you free money for makeup. So this was in a pack of 2, and it was originally $9 for a star and a heart, and I paid like $5 because I had like $4 worth of points. So just by signing in daily, they literally just give you money and to buy their shit. It's awesome. And it's really cool because they have like dupe palettes and stuff like that, but they also have like drugstore, LA Girl, you know, brands brands that you recognize on there, so you can get some discounts, and it's free shipping if you buy it on the app, which is sweet because you can get like an eyeliner here today, a lip liner tomorrow, this, that, and the other, and you don't have to put everything together in one big cart. But anyways, let's get to stamping. I'm going to use Birthday Suit by Tarte. So there you have it with a nude. Again, that's a Birthday Suit by Tarte, and it's their Tartiste lip paint. It's really nice. Still kind of want to put on the black though, just for, you know. This is a ColourPop lipstick. It's in the shade Yes. And it's kind of like a dark purple, almost a black. So this is the final look and how I styled it. Just threw on a gray wig and a beanie because the wig looks like shit without a hat. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more weird looks from me, Chrissy, and I will be right here next time. So I will see you guys then. Peace.